Hi everyone, my name is Venkatesh and I'm having 6 years of experience in automation testing, covering both code and codeless automation tools such as Selenium, Tosca, Cypress. And I also have hands-on experience with AI tools as well. So in this video, I will be giving you a brief introduction to Cypress, explaining you the key difference between Cypress and Selenium, discussing where Cypress is best suitable, and finally walking you through a small demo where you'll be able to set up your own Cypress project and run your first test case. So let's get started. You might have heard about various automation tools in the market such as Playwright, Selenium, Cypress, Tosca, and many others. It is very common to feel and confuse about which tool to choose and where to use it. My simple answer is it depends on the project. For example, if you are working on a single page application built using modern JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue, the tools like Cypress or Playwright are often a great choice here. On the other hand, if your project requires cross-browser testing or testing across different platforms, Selenium is usually more recommended. In this video, we will specifically focus on Cypress, understanding why it is popular and see where it fits and best compared to Selenium. By the end of the video, you will have a clear understanding of what Cypress is, how it is different from Selenium, and when you should choose Cypress, and how to set up and run your Cypress project. So let's dive into the Cypress. Before getting started, I want to show you a key difference between Selenium and Cypress. The main difference of Selenium and Cypress is that Selenium supports multiple languages like Java, Python, C Sharp, and JavaScript. Whether you are from any of this background, you can start using Selenium. But whereas Cypress, it only supports JavaScript. Selenium also supports many browsers and multiple tabs and windows. But whereas Cypress, it is limited to few cross-browser supports only. WebDrivers are used in Selenium to control the application and the test cases will be run by the WebDriver. But whereas in Cypress, the browser itself will run your application and the test cases. In few minutes you will be able to, I will show you how it is being run. Selenium is most suitable for enterprise level applications and legacy websites, whereas Cypress is more suitable for modern web applications like React, Angular, or Vue. So, and it is also friendly for the front-end developers too. So, I can conclude that Selenium is more powerful and flexible, but whereas Cypress is fast and developer friendly. Okay, so let us start our new project and let's start installing Cypress in our system and let's see how it is been done. So I'm creating a new project called Cypress demo. I'm opening this project. I'm using VS Code to open it. So the prerequisite is that the node should be installed in your system. So I'm opening the terminal and seeing what version is installed in my system. So I'm using 22.18 here. So I will be initializing the node here. Yeah. So I recommend you guys to go to the Cypress official website and open this installation guide by Cypress. So here it is saying you to run this command to install Cypress in your system. So when it is getting installed, I want to show you a good website to start practicing automation testing. So this website is from Source Demo. So here you can find the usernames and passwords and login. So here you can see there are so many products here. You can just add it and you can go to cart, and if you don't like you can remove that, and you can check out, and you can enter your first name and last name and postal code here and click on continue. Here you can see that whatever product you have selected is been displayed or not, and their price, and you can also check whether the tax is been correctly added or not, and then you can finish it, and also you can verify this thank you message is been displayed or not. And when the back button is clicked, whether you are being able to navigate to the home page or not. So this is a great place to learn, guys. You can also challenge yourself by checking what is the highest product available in this website, and add this to the cart and check out. So this is a great exercise to learn about the automation tools. Yeah. So meanwhile, I will be going to the project and see whether it has been installed or not. Yes, the Cypress has been successfully installed. We have to use this particular command npx cypress open to open the Cypress project in our system. So here you can find this command. So everything is been written clearly by Cypress, guys. So here is the window. So I'm opening this E2E testing, and this component level testing is used by front-end developers. They will be using this to write component level testing and unit testing. So I'm clicking on continue. So one of the major advantages of using Cypress is that Cypress offers the pre-built folder structure. But whereas in Selenium, we have to create our own folder structure. Yep. So I'm using Chrome for now to show you how it is being installed and how it is being run. So Cypress is giving a pre-built examples to test whether this Cypress is being successfully installed and running in your local or not. So I'm using few examples. So I'm clicking on todo.cy.js file. See, it is navigating to that particular URL. Yeah. So this has been successfully run. So Cypress is very fast. Yeah. So as I have told you, so I will be showcasing a small code which I have written in Sauce Lab uh, application. So what I will do is I'll go to this project and clear all the examples which has been given by Cypress. And so I'm creating a new file called add to cart.cy.js. So here I am pasting the code which I have written just now. So if you can see here in the before each loop, I am writing in the third line, I am navigating to this particular URL and entering the username, password, and clicking on login button, and clicking on this particular project and clicking on add to cart, and seeing whether one is being displayed in the add to cart in the right menu or not, and clicking on it and checking whether the checkout button is being visible or not, and clicking on checkout button, and entering the first name, last name and postal code here, and clicking on continue button here, and checking whether this payment information is being displayed on that particular term or not. And after that I am clicking on finish button, and after that I am verifying this thank you message is being displayed or not. So this is a simple flow, guys. So I will be running this flow. So here it is showing some error. It is saying that no spec file matching the following location. As you all know that I have deleted this file. So I am refreshing it and I am running that particular spec file. Here it is navigating to that URL and it is entering the password. Done. So it it almost took 10 seconds to cold start and run the test case. But what if I run it again? It barely took 3 seconds. This is how fast Cypress is. When compared to Selenium, Cypress is very fast. Yeah. This is a small introduction to Cypress, and in later videos you will find many different frameworks I have created by using Cypress, whether it is a BDD framework or a page object model. Yep. So there are lots and lots of videos coming in this channel. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it to your colleagues, and have a nice day. Happy learning. Thank you.